everybody, my name is Vesa Tiainen and today we are talking about a little bit of bus or van design. Now we can call this my project van a Paku van, and it's fully electric delivery van meant to be used inside cities. I have done about 8 hours more design, and now we can see what has changed after that. So I have added the Paku design and logos on top of it, so the color has changed a little bit, but what I have mainly done is that I have put the dummy shelf inside the car, and on the right side the width of the shelf are 500 millimeters, and on the driver's side they are around 600 millimeters. It's wider on the driver's side, so it will block more of the wall on the driver, so the stuff in accidents won't hit the driver and driver is more safe. Also, I have added these front mirrors there. There are these loop mirror types, and actually this makes the body much wider, and the width of the is now 2450 if you put the mirrors normal position. But I have designed them also so that it can be flipped to inside, so it will avoid the body barely, but it will flip from here to there. If you drive to narrow street, you can be able to fit much nicer, and it's also a little bit of safety function, so I will try to get it so that if something hits hard here, it tries to go this way and not break easily. So that's what I have done. And when you design mirrors for cars, you need to look the viewing angles of the mirror, and that's what I have done on here. And tricky usually is the passenger side, in this case the right side mirror, so you need to be sure that it doesn't get left behind the A-pillar, especially if you move the driver's position a little bit forward. It still is visible for the driver. That's usually a big problem. And also the tilting the angles on the mirrors. If you have the mirror panels here, you need to make sure that it still is behind these covers a little bit inward. If it's not, it will start to vibrate a lot in higher speeds, and that can be a problem in some cases. What concerns also, I have put now a little bit more stuff to the rear. So on the rear I have added this rear extra tail light and sliding door. Sliding door is 1200 millimeter wide at the moment, and you can still easily get here entrance height is 1950 will be the entrance height when you open the sliding door. And that's what I have done so far. You can also see that the width between the wheel arches is now a little bit under 1200 millimeters, but you still can get Euro pallet in because it's 800 millimeters to other directions. So you put it here and put it behind the drivers and flip this shelf up if it's needed. So this shelf will be movable, of course, and it will have some kind of sectioning system and maybe some other cool treats also, but that will be designed also much more later. Now it's just to get this basic model ready so we can do some kind of rendering and a little bit more detailed design on the front to get the shapes nice. And I will probably next put some kind of glasses to the body to make it look nicer, and front dash and driving things, wheels and screens and stuff like that. I could put also here these camera systems, but if you drive in the city, I still think it's not so helpful, and you mainly put them for aerodynamic drag reasons. So if you drive in the city, it's not so necessary to have so little drag. So I will probably use these normal viewing mirrors at the moment. Tell me what you think and how could you change the design. Is some dimensions you think not good, not bad? Thanks for watching and keep following the process. If you want to be in part of this project, let me know and what kind of skills you have. I will try to make a fully working prototype of this structure in the near future, so all the help is needed. Thanks for watching.